Hello guys, before I start this video, I decided to share a rainy day in the Garden of Usher with you. I love the rain, but at the same time it really scares me. It can cause a lot of damage, but it really does lend itself to a magical and gothic moment here in the Garden of Usher. So here you go, enjoy. Okay, that day the rain did stop a bit, and I came out to look at the Toyon, and it was doing okay, but it was being shaken and moved a lot by the wind. So it was going to be, the wind was going to get stronger again that day, and it was going to continue raining. So I had to make a vital decision, and I decided to prune this Toyon tree. I would either have it get knocked over by the wind or have it more stable. So I went ahead with the latter. And as you can see here, I trimmed at least 2 feet or a feet or 1 foot and a half of this toyon just to save it from the wind. Otherwise, the wind was rocking it and just pushing it around. And as you can see here, it looks much shorter and it's more stable as well. It's not moving so much as if you can remember, this Toyon is not staked down. It's merely held or at least positioned by those stones at the bottom there. And it's holding up pretty well. And just after I pruned it, then I could feel it more sturdy. I could feel that it's has more strength or more resilience against the wind, and I was really happy about that. So normally it's said that you're not supposed to prune anything when it's raining during wet weathers and days, but I had to do it. I hope it survives and that there's no infection of any fungus or anything. And this is an after the rain video shot, and it was sunny that day. And as you can see, this Toyon is holding up pretty well, and I'm hoping that it didn't get infected or it didn't catch any fungal infections or anything. So I'm monitoring it every day, and so far it's doing good. It's just I love this Toyon. It's just one of my favorites. It's been holding up really well. It's just been a very vigorous grower, and it's just keeping up with the wind, with the rockings, and just it has been pushed around so much by the wind. But this did the trick, and let's see how it does.